Hello students. Now we'll see the next topic, comparison of rational number. So before starting comparison of rational number, we'll see the simple number comparison. So here on the number line, always see, if you observe the number line, on the number line at the center 0 is there. Left hand side of the 0 all negative numbers are there. Right hand side of the 0 all positive numbers are there. So as you go to the right side, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you go to the right side of the 0, the numbers are going on increasing. Now here if we go to the left side of the 0, the value of the 0, value of the numbers are decreasing. Values of the numbers are decreasing, and here right hand side the values are increasing. So here we can say for the simple numbers that for any pair of numbers on the number line, the number to the left side of 0 or number to the left, not necessarily 0, number to the left is smaller than the other number. For example, suppose if I take -1 and 1. So which one is smaller? This is to the left of 1. -1 is left of 1. So -1 is less than 1. Suppose if I take -2 and -1. -2 is and -1. -2 is left of -1. So -2 is less than -1. Suppose if I take a number -2 and +2. So if you observe on the number line, this is to the left and this is to the right. So left number is always smaller than the positive, that is the right number. So here, so this is one rule to compare the simple numbers. Now we'll see the next. If I write a rational number, suppose a upon b, and if I multiply this rational number by any non-zero number, suppose a non-zero number is k. So if I write k into a upon k into b, then the value remains the same. So this I'll explain with the example. Suppose in the place of a and b, suppose if I write 2 upon 3 and any constant number I want, any constant number. So suppose a constant number I'll take to multiply here, suppose 5. So 5 into 2 and 5 into 3. 2 by 3 is same, one constant number I have taken and I multiplied with this number. What number I got? 10 upon 15. Okay, and if I again do the reduction form, again I'll get 2 upon 3. That is, with the 5 I divided, it will be again 2 by 3. So rational number, to the rational number, if I multiply any non-zero number, then that numbers will be same. So here the rule will be, if the numerator and denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of the rational number does not change. It remains the same. So the rule is what? A upon b equal to k into a upon k into b. Here very important that k should not be equal to 0. So this is one more part of comparison of rational number. Further we'll study about this. Suppose if I give two numbers, suppose -13 upon 11 and suppose a number is 16 upon 15. Now tell me which number is greater and which number is smaller. So negative number and positive number. So you know that negative number is always to the left hand side and positive number is always to the right hand side. So left hand side number is always smaller than the positive number. Now we'll take one more example for comparison of rational number. Suppose a number is given -8 upon 3 and the number is given -6 upon 5. These two numbers are given and we have to compare these numbers. Now which number is smaller, which number is bigger, this we have to identify. Now here if you observe, both are negative numbers. Now how can we understand that which one is to the right and which one is to the left? So we cannot identify directly. So here what we'll do for this, see, we'll do the denominator same now. Okay, so making a denominator same, that you have studied in previous standard. So we'll make it denominator same. So for that we have to find the LCM of 3 and 5. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Which is 15. So now this denominator I have to make it 15. So how to make? What to multiply? 3 into 5, 15. So same number I will multiply to the numerator also, comma. Again this also I have to make 15. So 5 3s are 15. So same number I will multiply to numerator. So here 8 5s are 40 upon 15 and 18 upon 15. Now we can easily identify. So which is to the left, which is to the right? Okay. So this is to the left. Okay. So this is to the left. So this number is less than minus 18 upon 15. So this is another method to identify both the negative numbers if given. Then how to identify or compare the rational numbers. So this is the method. So now on this some rules are given. So today we'll see now the rules of comparison of rational numbers. So now the rules. So first rule is, if A upon B and C upon D are the rational numbers, A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers such that A, B and D are positive, then first rule is, if we multiply cross way, that is A into D, if we multiply A into D and if we multiply B into C, A into D and B into C, and if we get this is less, this number is less, then we can say first rule, A upon B is less than C upon D. Second rule, if A into D is equal to B into C, same multiplication, if we get equal multiplication, then we'll say A upon B equal to C upon D. Third rule, now you can easily tell me the third rule, that is, if A into D is greater than B into C, then we can say A upon B is greater than C upon D. See students, don't change the sequence. That means what? You don't have to write B into C for first and A into D second. The sequence to be this only. You have to use this only sequence, that A into D should be the first and B into C should be the second. Okay, so these are the three rules to compare the rational numbers. So study it properly